Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yesterday, we are starting drawbacks of the file system we are starting. Today, what is DBMS, what is database, all the things you are understandable. Yesterday, what I am telling, in a 1960 before, organization stores the data in a flat file format. What are the drawbacks of the flat file format? We are starting only. Through that one, we are learning so many concepts. First one, data retrieval. We are telling only. Next one, we are starting data redundancy. Data redundancy. Another one is why redundancy occurred also today understandable through the flat file diagrams. Data integrity. These are the generalized concepts. Again, another one is data security. Another one, data indexing. Data indexing. Just observe it here. Up to data redundancy, yesterday we are discussing. Through that one, commit and rollback also we are learning. Next, data integrity. Third one is data integrity. Data integrity. Data integrity. Now concentrate here. What is integrity? Integrity means combination of all the things. So many fellows are thinking like that only. That is wrong side. Always integrity means to maintain proper data. Hello, hello, hello. It is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yes, some fellows are telling not audible. Okay. Yes, here. Listen, observe here.
So can you repeat
What is
data redundancy once?
Now observe it here. Data integrity. Why redundancy? Okay, means then we are telling today DBMS architecture is there. So many things are there. Don't worry. Now data integrity. Data integrity means to maintain proper data. To maintain proper data only. This is very easily you are understandable. Suppose, for example, in a databases, okay, in a future databases we are learning, very easy to maintain a data integrity. For example, this is a table is there, for example, in a database, right? Here, salary is a column is there. Now, you are also storing any salary. Suppose here, 2000 we are storing means, yes, possible. Here 9,000 we are storing means yes possible into where this column only. Again 4,000 we are storing means possible. Any type of sales is also possible. But suddenly my client requirement, I don't want to store less than 5,000 salary. Only who are getting more than 5,000 salary, those employees information only store it into this database. For example, this table. In that case, I am also here also giving a what very easy in a databases we are learning in a database means just we are writing a what a small piece of coding only. Constraints is a concept is there. In that one, just check primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, something is there. These are called constraints only. One of the constraint check we are writing. Now just within the bracket only, whatever logical condition you want, that one we are using. Just here we are using like this. So maybe less than 5,000 I don't want to store. More than 5,000 only we are allowed to store. Whenever we are writing about this condition, now observe it here, end user try to store 2,000. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Again, they try to store 8,000. Yes, possible. So now here, yes, suppose here 8,000 means more than 5,000. Yes, possible. That's why based on the conditions, valid data only we are allowed to store by using a what these type of keywords only in a database. Very easy. These are called constraints. In a SQL language side, constraint is a chapter is there. In that one, so many things we are learning. Constraints in a PLSQL, triggers are there. Through that one, we are maintaining a what proper data very easy. How we are validate mail ID, how we are entering a what valid phone numbers. These type of things we are learning in a regular expression. So many concepts are there. Now observe it here. That's why just you are a first time programmer means what I'm intimating to you. Data integrity means not a combination of all the things. Integrity means to maintain proper data. The terminology very important. To maintain proper data. How we are maintaining a proper data means very easy in a databases. Whereas in a way normal flat file approach also we are maintaining a proper data possible. But unfortunately through the programs they are maintaining is difficult. Java, .NET, okay, C, C++, these programming languages through we are maintaining is difficult compared to where databases. Suppose here, this is a database is there, Oracle database. In this database, in a feature, you are writing like that. Suppose here, now check it out. This is a table is there, okay, very easy in a feature concept side. And now here, salary is a column, here number. In this one, more than okay, 5,000 salary means here we are using check is a keyword, salary is greater than 5,000, 6,000, like this, anything also. This is the way we are writing. Then data entry operator, try to insert a data like this. Here they try to insert here 2,000, for example, it won't work. Here error, 2,000 is less than 5,000. Here constraint, something is there or not? Yes, here, oh, maybe rejected. Suppose they try to insert here more than 5,000, here 9,000 they are inserting. Yes, possible or not? Yes, now check it out. How much easy in a future. You are also learning like that only. Just I'm intimating to you, yes, 9,000 is there or not? Yes. Suppose here another table is there, only capital letters only we are allowed to insert. So many things are there. Okay, so now but subject is required, but that is later. Create table test is there. Here name column, very easy. This one varchar to something is there in a future. Now here check it out. Here in this name column, only capital letters only we are allowed to store. Small letters we are not allowed to store. Means predefined functions are there, upper, lower. Okay, so many functions are there. Just they're writing a coding, small piece of coding like this only one line of coding, small things. Now the data entry operator try to, so now here insert a data. So now here insert into table name. Here my name is Murli is a small letter they are trying to insert, it won't work. So now here, yes, here small letters they try to insert means it won't work. Here constraint some violated, some error, it will be rejected. Okay, displayed. Now here I try to insert my name is a capital letter. Yes, you're morely like this. Yes, automatically this is stored in a database or not? Yes. Now here check it out. Yes, this is stored in a where database. Observe it here. Now here morally like this. Okay, this is capital letter, it will be storing. That's why this is called now here, yes, this is called data integrity. Integrity means to maintain now here to maintain proper data, if you want to maintain proper data, then we are using a what constraints is there, some concepts are there in a database, as triggers is a concept is there in a TSQL, PLSQL, like this only. Just integrity means to maintain proper data. You have an idea enough. What I'm intimating to you, in a databases, we are maintaining a proper data very easy, single line of coding is there in a feature. But okay, in a flat file system, so in a flat file approach, very difficult. Why? Because big application programs we are writing. That is a problem. That query you write it only, just a small query. This is a big chapters only in a feature. Write it. Integrity means to maintain proper data, or to maintain valid data. Anything else, Tim? Valid data. In flat file approach, so diagrams also there. Okay. In flat file approach, if you want to Write it this one. If you want to maintain valid data, then we must develop application programs in high level languages, whereas in database means Oracle and all the things are there. In databases, we are maintaining proper data by using constraints. Don't worry, constraint means primary key, foreign key, check. So many things are there. Okay, later that one. These are called here constraints. The terminology is there. No, yeah. So now here something is there. Just note it down. This theory. Just write it. Then another two is very easy. Through that one, DBMS and flat file and a DBMS. Some differences is there. Simple diagram through all the things understandable. Then database, a physical logical structure. Through that one, what is the database? You are understandable. Completed this one. This theory is completed. Yeah. Now another one is data security. This is very easy. I am not explaining anything. Also, everyone telling. Suppose you are a flat file programmer. You are struggling only. You are writing a programs in a C language, Java, .NET like this. Yes, automatically whatever file name is there, that is file is physically stored in a where. Now here is files only. Okay, fine. In a physical C colon, D colon or anything. Whenever it will be storing like that, I am also, you are also connect to the where yes system, maybe any end user. Just I'm opening a what that file. Now here yes, I'm opening a what that file only. Here this a file is there. Yes, I'm opening that file. I'm modifying that file only. Now here yes, here we are changing that file. Okay, fine. In deleting that file. Okay, records. Again, otherwise changing a what data, there is no security. Folder level security is there, but unfortunately file level security is not there. That's why always data is stored in a where flat files or files cannot be secured because files does not provide security mechanism. Special type of mechanism is not there. Folder level security, I'm agree, but remaining security is not there. But in a database, it's not like that. So many types of security mechanisms are there. We are learning in a Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, like that only. Now we are in those databases. Suppose here authority level of security also there in a databases. Suppose here in a company, for example, now in a future, some chapters through we are learning views chapters through. Suppose a CEO is there in a where company, for example, highest level person. Okay, CEO is there in a company, for example, simply is you are understandable. Again, lower authority person, clerk is there, for example. Now I'm asking what one question only. You now easily you are telling only clerk wants to view CEO salary, possible or not possible? Not possible. Because now here yes this is a lower authority person, but maybe CEO wants to view a clerk salary, possible or not? Yes, possible, because CEO is the higher authority person. He is allowed to view a lower authority person's salary only. But in a previous case, data is confidential, clerk unable to view the where CEO salary only. But how we are providing about these type of authority level of security means in a databases, okay, roles, views, so many concepts are there. To that one possible only. That is a big mechanism. And now here big mechanism only. Those all the things you are familiar in a future chapter side. Just only small theory write it. Write it. Data stored in data stored in flat files cannot be secured, because flat files cannot provide security mechanism, whereas databases provides special type of security mechanism. Special type of security mechanism. Okay, na? Last one. Write it. Data indexing. Data indexing. These are the terminologies important. That's why first we are telling. Data indexing. Hello. It is audible. Hello. Tell me. Yeah. Now, what is data indexing? Means concentrate here. 1 minute only. Now concentrate. Very easy. Actually, very easy way you are understandable in a book's knowledge only. Now concentrate. Indexing is a terminology is most powerful. Index is a separate chapters are there in a very database system side. Okay, you are also learning a big chapters. First, observe it here. Suppose I am joining in a company. I am a Java programmer, for example. In my project, I'm struggling about JDBC project side. I'm not good at database. That's why JDBC concepts. I'm struggling only. My manager is observing only Murli, you are struggling about to complete a work within a time only. You are not good at what JDBC. That's why I am intimating to you, just purchase what one book only. I am telling about a good other. So take that book only, read the articles. Then maybe now here you are getting a good knowledge. Then only you are also same like other your colleagues only. You are completing work within a time only. They are telling stories. Okay. He is giving a what some other name. I'm purchasing a book only. But unfortunately, whenever I'm purchasing a what that Java book is a big so now here, yes, so many pages are there. Okay, fine. Suppose here 5,000 pages are there in that book. Now, but unfortunately, I don't know because others are writing all the concepts. Maybe they are good at what all the concepts in a where Java. But unfortunately, in my project, I don't want all the concepts only. Only JDBC projects I am struggling. That's why if I want to, so now here, yes, here, read the what JDBC article means, how can I, yes, nobody, I am also here also, yes, just searching a what of first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh page, eighth page, ninth page, 10th page, like that only, we are not searching because time waste only. Where the topic is there in a JDBC, each and every page we are referring means it will take a lot of time. Maybe which page is there, we don't know. Then we are searching each and every page means a lot of time is wasted. But unfortunately, every human person, how they are searching about particular topic very fastly means just here they are referring about index page. Here index page is there. Okay, fine. In that index page, so many topics are there. In that JDBC topic, which page is there? For example, yes, here, okay, 300 page is there. For example, page number. Very fastly, we are going to where 300 page only. And now we are searching that particular topic very fast. That's why always how in a book only index is helpful to search a particular topic very fastly. Same like in a database, a huge amount of data is there, large amount of data is there, so much of data is there. But unfortunately, yes, we are writing the queries also. How much fast we are retrieving a data is very important. Suppose here we are generating a report, you are a good programmer in a database, you are writing about some coding, SQL, PL, or anything. Yes, your manager wants a report in a way within 2 minutes, but you are writing a coding means it will take about 10 minutes means no use. How fastly retrieve the data is also very important in a database project side. That's why if you want to retrieve the data very fastly means indexing is a mechanism is there that we are using a special type of mechanism in a database. Searching mechanism is different only. In that case, very fastly it will be retrieve the data. How means we are learning. Okay, so now B-tree indexes, bitmap indexes, reverse indexes, so many things are there. How we are creating indexes in a very databases, how it will be searching, we are learning only. Then very fast. That's why if you want to retrieve the data very fastly, from the databases, database software provides indexing mechanism, but unfortunately in a flat files, very fastly retrieve the data is not there. That very fastly retrieve the data very helpful in a very business, improve the business requirement or not? Yes, here, write it. Data indexing, this is a very big chapter, write it. Just indexing means retrieve the data very fastly, some type of mechanism is there, write it. Indexing is a special type of mechanism. Indexing is a special type of mechanism which is used to fetch data very fast very fastly from databases. In the future we are learning database no Oracle and all. Whereas flat files does not provide indexing mechanism. Yes, indexing we are learning. Okay, how much depth we are learning, you are understandable in the future. Completed. Now here. Finished.
So here a flat file means what? Indexing in the flat
Just a
file.
flat file means nothing is there file. Okay, so whenever we are writing the program in a C language, Java language, anything. Now file program we are writing on. Yesterday we are telling, and now here file structure we are defining, and what records are there we are defining. Then file name is there. Or file name we are creating is automatically the file is created in a where physically in a hard disk. Through these programs only we are loading a water data. Yes, that is stored in a where hard disk. That is also secondary storage devices. But those type of mechanisms are flat file approach. That is, these are so many drawbacks are there. Compared to this one, some other concept is there. What is that one? Today, now I am telling. Okay, now observe it here. Concentrate. Slowly observe it here. Okay, that is enough. Okay, so because so many occasional drawbacks are there, just your understandable purpose, I am taking this one. Now concentrate. Now, so many fellows are in a worldwide, they are confusing database, DBMS, physical structure, logical structure, which structure they are working in a company. Now they doesn't know. That's why outside person always confusing about these type of terminologies only. Now today, these all the things easily understandable. That's why up to now, I'm not telling you what is database. A proper way we are learning about a database means in a olden days, 1960 before flat file approach is there. Through the programs only, they are storing a data in a physical files, that is in a C colon, D colon. Okay, some files are created. Yes, through the programs only, they are storing the data. Some drawbacks are there. Just I'm intimating to you up to now. From that one, we are learning about terminology, databases, DBMS. What is the difference? It's totally different. DBMS and databases are totally different. Now, today you are understandable. Now, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose now, anybody telling me is great. And now this is a 2021. In a 2021 only, you are joining in a company. For example, we are joining in a company. Okay, we are all working only, we are joining in a company. But our company not providing a what for storing a data or information in a database software, they are not providing, or SQL server, they are not providing. For example, latest technologies available also, they are not providing these technologies. For example, we are working in a very flat file approach. We are working in a very flat file approach. What is flat file approach means? Just we are writing a big programs, big programs we are writing only. Through the programs only we are storing a what data, maybe either C, either Java or anything, for example. Okay, now slowly observe it here. Now concentrate on, now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here, slowly observe it here. Now, okay, so now whenever we are, okay, so now implementing a what that project, we are facing these problems only. Data retrieval, slowly observe it here. This okay. Data retrieval is a problem. And now here observe it here. Data redundancy is a problem. Data integrity, data security, data indexing is a problem. What are the problems we are facing means, just observe it here in a flat file approach means, suppose here, whenever the big programs we are writing through the programs only, and now data is storing in a file. But if you want to read the data from the file, retrieve the data from the file, again we are writing a what big application program, that is a data retrieval problem we are facing. Again, data redundancy means, okay, so today you are understandable. It means every program maintain its own file separate from other application program in the organization. That's why duplicate data is there. Duplicate data is not a biggest problem. Inconsistency is a problem is occurred. Again, you know, data integrity means we are maintaining a proper data means very difficult, because big programs we are writing only. Again, data security also not there. Okay, once we are providing a what so much files through the programs also, but unfortunately anybody also opening, anybody also modifying the data, security is not there. Again, data indexing, my client asking a what, my manager is asking a what, if you want retrieve the data very fastly means we are unable to retrieve the data very fastly. That's why these all the drawbacks. Here, this is a 2021. Yes, we are working in a company. Whenever we are working in a company, so now we are a flat file approach, flat file project they are giving means just okay. So now we are struggling. We are facing a what these above problems. Okay, fine. Now, okay, I'm a manager, for example, in our team. I'm intimating to higher management only. Yes, we are facing a what flat file approach. These are so many latest technologies are there, but this is a flat file approach we are applying only. Yes, for storing a what data or information into where in a secondary storage devices. We are facing these problems. I'm explaining only. Then immediately, yes, they are also understandable only. Now they are giving a what a new technology only. What is that one? Anybody guess it? New technology they are giving only. And now for storing a what data or information. What is that one? Very good. So many fellows are in our class. They are telling a what a database. That is the wrong one. Not a database. DBMS. Very important. Database is different. DBMS is totally different. In 1960, DBMS means nothing is their database management system. Once we are loading at this database management system, then only a physical files are created in a hard disk. That is database. That is most powerful. And now here, yes, that's why now you are understandable. What is DBMS? What is database? You are understandable now. Actually, organization suffers from these type of problems in a 1960 before. Then organizations 1960 onwards, a special type of software they are introducing only, that is called DBMS software. Really, Oracle is not a database. DBMS softwares. Oracle is a DBMS software actually, but first I am telling in this stage only DBMS software. SQL Server is a DBMS software. DB2 is a DBMS software. MySQL is a DBMS software. Once we are loading a what this DBMS software into our system, then automatically some physical files are created in a hard disk. That is called a database. That much powerful. And now here, yes, observe it. Suppose I am loading a Oracle in my system, then automatically some physical files are created in a hard disk in a C colon, D colon here, .dbf file. Here only this is called a database. In this place only we are storing a what data. In that is called database only. That is what is physical, what is logical. Today you are understandable on all these things only. That's why in a 1960 organizations, 1960 onwards, organizations uses which one? A special type of software called DBMS software for storing data or information permanently in secondary storage devices. Because 1960 before organizations uses flat file mechanism, and also these are so many problems are okay, so now is their employees are suffering from above problems only. That's why what is DBMS, then what is database, what is flat file approach and DBMS difference, why okay, so now problems are there in a flat file approach, diagrammatically I'm telling only, then easily understandable. That's why terminology is most powerful. Write it, next para write it. In 1960, just this is history, very easy. And now 1960, write it. Organizations introduced special type of software called DBMS software. What is DBMS? I will tell you, don't worry. DBMS software for storing data or information, permanently in secondary storage devices. Whereas in 1960 before organizations uses flat file approach for storing data. And also organizations means employees, organizations suffering from above problems. Some problems are there, above problems in flat file approach. Through the programs only they are storing means some problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay, na? Yeah. Daily notes I am providing, don't worry. Now, side heading DBMS, then only database we are learning. Okay, yeah. So now DBMS, database management system. Database management system. Side heading DBMS, database management system. What is database management system? Is Oracle is a database management system. SQL Server is a DBMS. Okay, so now here yes, DB2 is a DBMS. Okay, actually RDBMS nowadays. Database management system, Evolent, Sparks Pro, DB3 plus, so many things are there. The difference between DBMS, RDBMS in a later we are learning. But first initial stage, observe it here. Just a database management system means nothing is there. Anybody asking what is database management system means simple. Database management system means nothing is there. Suppose Java is a software. Okay, this software is nothing but a collection of predefined programs. Who are implementing this software internally? Some programs are there that exe file you are running means you are loading means then you are working. Same like Oracle is a DBMS software. MySQL is a DBMS software. Yes, DB2 is a DBMS software. Now that software means collection of programs. Collection of programs are there. Okay, fine. You are not writing the programs. Just already predefined exe file is there. Okay, in that one only these programs are there. That's why DBMS is a collection of that programs. That is nothing but a software written to manage this database. Okay, fine. Because whenever we are installing a DBMS software, automatically some physical files are created in a hard disk. That is called database. Okay, that is I will tell you. And now write it. This is everyone well-known persons only. Okay, write it. It is a collection of, write it. It is a collection of. It is a collection of programs within the bracket software. Write it. It is a collection of programs within the bracket software. Write it. Software written. It is a collection of programs written to manage. Written to manage database. First time newcomer, no, that's why example of DBMS software, write it. Example of DBMS software. Oracle. Actually, these are RDBMS, but not a problem in this session. SQL Server, comma, MySQL, comma, nowadays Teradata more popular, no? Teradata, comma, DB2, comma, Informix, comma, Sybase, like this. So many things. Postgres, Ingress. Write it this one. SQLite, very good. Okay, SQLite is in mobile technology side now. Yeah. Suppose SQLite, some fellows are telling here, right? It's not a problem. SQLite. Yes, Django. Finished? And now slowly observe it here. Concentrate. Here. Slowly observe it here. Actually, before we are starting what these DBMS softwares, very easy. And now here, yes. In a flat file approach, why data management is a problem in a flat file approach 1954. Nowadays, these type of softwares we are loading means what is the advantage? Why, how those all problems are overcome means just I will tell you. Yes, some diagrams are there. In that one, very easily you are understandable. And now here, yes. 1 minute only, they are not muting a water. Just 1 minute only.
Sir, can you remove?
Right, connecting very much.
पैसा असते काय महिनाभर जात होतो महिन्याला 500 रुपये निघाले का आता समजा स्टार्टिंग त्याचे म्हणून मला आता जास्त पैसे लागले पण नंतर आले ना
Hello. Now is okay? Hello. Yeah.
We grown.
Hello.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, they are only host only. Okay, that's the problem.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. Yeah. Okay, now concentrate here. Actually, if you want to understandable this DBMS software, database, this flat file approach is simple, very easy. And now you are understandable. Simple diagrams I am drawing today. One is flat file approach, another one is DBMS approach. Then the database also easily you are understandable. Then what is database? I will tell you. Actually, first flat file approach I am telling only. I am drawing the diagram. In that diagram only, and now here I am embedded a DBMS approach, DBMS software. Okay, na? Write it, side heading, flat file, very easily understandable. Then physical logical structure we are learning today. Flat file approach to data management. Just this type of theory is available in any books also, but first time newcomer in a non-technical person, understandable purpose, these are all the things I'm telling, right? It flat file approach to data management. Actually, slowly observe here. Actually, in a 1960 before, not now. Nowadays, this is not there. Actually, don't take it. 1960 before prior to 1960, organizations uses this mechanism for storing a data permanently in a hard disk. Okay, how means? Yes, they are designing a what something only different. Suppose in every company only, don't read, just observe here. Every company also departments are there. Okay, fine. Departments are there. What is the problem is? Observe here, old and days type. In this department, so many application programs are there. Some programs are there. For example, in a company, don't write it here. Invoicing program is there. Invoice application is there. Okay, anything. So many applications are there. Invoice application is there. Programs, these are. Every application program maintain its own file. Suppose here this program, what the problem is, this program maintain a what? Its own file it will be maintaining. Don't write it this one. Just observe it. A general diagram I'm trying only just example side, easily understandable. Suppose in this file only customer number is there. For example, okay, fine. And now here customer name is there. Don't write it these things. Okay, just idea purpose. Here zip code is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Okay, like this. And now here, yes, here. Okay, so now here. So many details are there. For example, invoice application. These are files. That's why in a flat file approach means what is the mechanism basically they are introducing means every application program maintain its own files. Okay, yeah, own file. Suppose another application program is there. For example, another application program is there. Okay, fine. Yes. Suppose here that is a CRM application, customer relationship management application, a project side. Okay, don't write it. This is technologies you don't have an idea. And now here, yes. In this application program also maintain a what? Its own file. Maintain its own file. They are maintaining only. That's why every application program maintain its own file. Suppose in this application also here, for example, customer number is there. Okay, fine. Customer name is there. Okay, fine. Again, a turnover is there. Okay, so many things. A turnover is there. Okay, so many fields are there. Again, observe it here. Again, another application program is there. Suppose you are joining in a company. Your details are stored in a where this application, geographical information system. This application program is there. For example, application program is there. In this application program also maintain a what? Its own file. Maintain its own file. In this file only so much of data is there. Okay. Suppose here this is a customer related project. Customer number. Yes, here customer name. Here anything. So now here phone number, address, like this only. Okay, fine. Yes, email. Okay. Now observe it here. Yes, what is the flat file approach in a olden days means in every department application programs are there. Every application program maintain its own file. This application program maintain its own file. This application program maintain its own file. This application program maintain its own file. These application programs are separate from the other application programs. Okay, yes, here. That's why in flat file approach, every application program, these are programs only maintain its own file separate from other application program in the organization. That's why these are biggest drawbacks only. Suppose in the previous case, so many drawbacks I'm telling, only one drawback I'm telling only, just observe it here. Yes, here also customer name is there. Here also customer name is there. That is called duplicate data, redundant data. Yes, every application program maintain its own file means maybe 2 or 3 or times more, always if there's some data items are repeated, that is called duplicate data. Whenever anybody modifying the what this name in a where in this file, this is never affected in a where another file because that program is that file is maintained by another program. That's why inconsistency problems are occurred or not. That's why always in a olden days in a flat file approach, every application program maintain its own file separate from other application program in the organization. But unfortunately nowadays DBMS not like that. DBMS also some programs are there, some Java, .NET, for example, some programs are there, some files are there, but unfortunately DBMS means not like that. DBMS software we are loading, that is automatically, yes, create a layer above the operating system layer. This DBMS software automatically creates a what? One place only, that is called database. In this physical place only data we are storing, and also one user interface automatically created. That one, I'm showing a what, so now diagrammatically and practically, then you are understandable. That is better. That's why diagrammatically easily understandable. But unfortunately, this diagram, generalized diagram I'm writing. These customer numbers and all these things not required, because in a future you are a very good programmer, easily understandable these small concepts. Write it. Generalized diagram I'm writing. Okay. In flat file approach, write it. In flat file approach, every application program, maintain its own file. This is 1964, okay? Its own file separate from other application program in the organization. Other application program in the organization. In flat file approach, every application program maintain its own file separate from other application program in the organization. Okay, before we are starting a practical, better to know these all the things. Practically very easy, nothing is there. Completed this one. Okay, one thing I'm telling only. So now here, yes, I'm so experienced person. So many fellows are learning from 2010 onwards in Hyderabad only. So many fellows are well settled. So many fellows are. How they are well settled means always good subject. That's all. So much of subject is there. Utilize that one. Once we are starting a practically, then you are understandable. How much easily all the things I am telling means you are understandable. Just listen carefully whatever I am telling. Easily, one of the stage you are very good knowledge. You are also easily you are also writing queries, programs, and all these things your own way. Your point of view only I am telling always. And also in a companies what they are asking, what is the requirement I know, and now those things I am concentrating more. Okay, na? Yeah. And now here because actually I'm interested in a subject. That is a problem. So much of time it will be taking only. So now here once we are starting me so much of depth I'm telling only every topic. That is my problem. So now here because once subject is there, then nowadays you're reading articles in a Google or anything, you are serving in a way in organization very easy. So now here very easy way. And now here nowadays so much of technology is there. Okay, but learning is more patience is required. Okay, yeah. So now just listen carefully enough. Okay, so now just whatever I'm telling, listen means enough because so much of things are there. Now concentrate here. Suppose here, for example, this is a generalized example. In a books we are referring also, this will be there. Oh, sorry, generalized diagram I'm trying, that is better. So now here, departments are there. Okay, fine. Departments. Okay, company side. Okay, fine. Here files are there. Okay, fine. Here files are there. Now, this is a simple diagram and CIS SQL provided. Okay, in a books we are referring means this will be there. Just observe it here. In a companies, always so many programs are there. Okay, departments are there in each and every department. So many programs are there, application programs in a long ways. Okay, user interfaces. Now here, just they are giving a what like this application, program one. Here again, application program 2. Generalized way I'm telling. Some programs, okay, fine. Again, application program 3. This is generalized diagram. Application program 3. Otherwise, program 3, anything else. Program 3. Actually, these programs are interacting with the OS, operating system only. And now here, in the operating system above layer only DBMS software is there next, don't worry. And now here, observe it here, this is a generalized diagram only. And now here operating system is there, operating system, OS. In this OS only file system is there. DBMS also file system is there. Observe it here. This is operating system. In this one only file system is there. That is everyone knows, no, file system. File system is there. Now this application program having a what? Their own file only. Now here, yes. This application program also having a what? Their own file only. This application program also having a what? Their own file only. But nowadays DBMS approach means these files are not there. These all the files are there in a single place only. That is database or not? Yes, here. Just roughly draw this diagram. Draw this diagram only, very easy. File 2. In a DBMS books we are referring is this type of generalized way and say SQL provide. Write it. Draw this diagram. Then a DBMS approach I will tell you. This is a flat file approach. Yeah. Every program having its own file, no? Yeah. Departments are there, application program 1, application program 2, application program 3. These programs are interacting with the what? Operating system files.
Done, sir.
Completed this one?
Yes.
Take a snapshot. Okay, that is better, no? Through the mobile. Just idea. Oh, maybe in olden days, flat file approach means some programs they are writing, but every program maintain its own file separate from other application program. That's why those drawbacks are there. And now observe it here. DBMS approach means nothing is there. Some scientists are introducing in a way DBMS approach in 1960. What happened? Means observe it here. Suppose Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these softwares are there. No, these are called DBMS softwares. Once loading this DBMS software means this layer is created above the operating system layer. Internally, above the operating system layer, just automatically this DBMS software is installed. Some files are there, no, some programs are there, that is installed only. This DBMS software only automatically creates a what? Here some place in a hard disk. Some place is created in a hard disk. Here this is called a database. This place is called what? Database. In this place only all the data you are storing only. Here physical, logical, I will tell you. Not only that one use this DBMS software, one user interface is automatically created. Through this user interface daily, you are interacting, you are also interacting with this database directly. Otherwise, Java, .NET, these type of PHP, these programmers are indirectly interact with the what? This database. That's why directly and indirectly two things are there. Now here, check it out. Okay, 1 minute only. Just observe it here. Suppose Oracle software is there. Okay, fine. Yes, this is a DBMS software, SQL Server, DBMS software. This software you are installing in your system. Yes, DBMS software. What happened? Automatically, some files are created in a hard disk only. These are files. Physical files are automatically created in a hard disk only. This is called database. Database is a place where we can store the data once we are installing a DBMS software. That is important. These are physical, logical. I will tell you difference and all these things. You are understandable. Okay. That's why what is the DBMS approach? I am drawing the diagram very easy. ANSI ISO SQL giving a what simple diagram only. Through that one, you are also understandable. Write it, side rating. DBMS approach. That's what diagrammatically very easy. Nothing is there. Write it. DBMS approach. Then only database I will tell you. Okay. DBMS approach. Write it this one. DBMS approach. DBMS approach to data management. DBMS approach to data management. Here also programs are there, don't worry. That is indirect, directly not required. DBMS approach to data management. Okay, yeah. And now slowly some theory write it only, then through the diagram easily understandable, nothing. Okay, so generally you are also installing, I am also installing this DBMS software, Oracle, SQL Server, same thing has happened. Okay, write it. Whenever, some theory write it first. Whenever whenever we are installing DBMS software, into our system is computerized system, our system, then automatically some places reserved, actually allocated. So for example, some places allocated in hard disk. Equivalent is there in hard disk. This is called database. And also automatically an user interface is created. Through this, write it, through this user interface, we can directly interact with the database. Or suppose you are a Java.NET programmer, indirectly you are interacting also possible. That is Java stored procedure, .NET stored procedure is there, no, that one. Or by using application programs, indirectly, also interact with the database. Now you are indirectly also you are interacting, directly also you are interacting, possible. This approach. Completed this one. Suppose here, observe it here. Actually, whenever we are installing in a feature, in a DBMS software, we are learning no Oracle SQL Server like this. Observe it here. This is a user interface is created. Username, passwords, we are typing like this only in a feature. And now here, yes, directly I am in connect to the where this database. Here database only for physical space is there. Here only we are directly user interact. Because user interface, this one, username, password, something is there in a feature, we are telling only. Okay, yeah. So now automatically that user interface also created when we are installing a Oracle SQL Server, these type of DBMS software, and also physical files are created now. And now here, check it out. Completed this series. Now, what is the diagram they are providing? A what? Yes, here, ANSI ISO SQL means simple. And now slowly observe it here, concentrate here, very easy. These are departments are there. Now, in this department, application programs are there. Program 1, program 2, program 3, same like a previous case. Okay, these programs are optional, not a mandatory. Same like a Java.NET like this one. Here, application program 1. Application program 1. Here, application program 2. Application program 2. Here, application program 3. Now slowly observe here. Actually, these application programs, whenever we are installing a Oracle or SQL Server DB2, these are called DBMS softwares. Those DBMS software, one layer is automatically created in the above the operating system layer. Here only automatically created a Yes, some DBMS software layer created. DBMS is created. Now, this DBMS layer interactive with the operating system. Okay, that is internal. Okay, fine. File manager, these all the things I am not telling. Just observe here. Generalized diagram, easy this one. Now here, this is operating system. Okay, yes, here it will be interactive. In the operating system, file system. That is, a file system is common in internally, NTFS, so many things are there. And now here, observe here, this DBMS software automatically creates some place only, physical place in a hard disk, in a disk only, that is called a database. Here automatically some place is created. That software, DBMS software only automatically created some place. Observe here, this is a place. This is called database. This is called what? A database. Here, database. You are not creating this one. Yes, this DBMS software only automatically created. In this one only, we are storing the data. Suppose nowadays we are a relational database programmer, means we are storing the data in the format of tables only. No? Yes, here, not a files here. Tables, something is there. Okay, fine. These are all the things we are learning. That's why up to now, database I am not telling. Now onwards we are learning what this database, physical and logical structure, something I am telling. Now, not only this DBMS software, this database created, but also one user interface is created. Observe here. This is a user interface. Interface is automatically created. Through this user interface, I am also here also database programmer, means daily we are interacting this user interface to this database directly possible, direct. Otherwise, you are a Java.NET programmer, means indirectly through the application programs also possible. That's why two-way communication actually. And now here, observe here, this is a user interface is there. Username and password automatically created. You are not creating that one, automatically created in the every software also, DBMS software. User name, security purpose, username, password, so many things they are giving only. That is later we are learning. Now here, this is a user interface. Username and password text boxes like this. Here, OK button. Okay. Now this user interface through we are interacting directly into database possible. Yes, through the application programs indirectly possible. Simple, no? Now draw this diagram. Then what is this database I am telling? That's why once we are loading a DBMS software, then only database is created. That is important. Database is different and the DBMS softwares are different. But unfortunately, outside persons are calling whatever Oracle, SQL Server, these are database. No, these are not a database. That is database management system softwares. Those softwares we are installing means some place is created, that is database. Database means simple place. Every DBMS software we are installing means some place is there. That's what diagrammatically important. Okay, yeah. Draw this diagram, DBMS approach. This one. Now I will tell you. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, draw this diagram. Actually, big diagrams actually this one. Just our idea purpose. Understood this one?
So that means, sir, one doubt clearing. So
Yeah,
in the DBMS, in the DBS software like Oracle DB2 or MySQL,
yeah.
We will write all the coding, right?
No. For coding, we are not writing only small commands. Just a structured query language is there. Small commands. Big coding is not there.
No structure. Like creating the table, introducing constraints and etc.
Yeah.
We do at the DBMS level, and that is how we interact with database, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are interacting. Next practicals are there. No, up to now we are not started. These are first classes, no small.
No, just having a brief idea. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Just take a snap this one. Anybody not writing also, take a snap better.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Sir.
Yes.
No. This is my first class, sir. May I know the general class timing, sir? At what time to what time class will
9
be?
to 10:30. Actually, I am taking more hours generally because so much of subject is there.
Okay.
Actually, they are giving 9 to 10 only, but 10:30 maybe.
Okay, fine, sir.
Timings or anything is make a plan. Okay, yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Sir, any textbook recommendation, sir?
PLSQL by Deshpande. Later, okay, I will tell you. But first initial stage not record. Okay. Because
Yes, sir,
once
yes, sir.
we are entering in a practical, then some subject you have an idea, then I am telling means you are following only. First only means confusing. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
This is the last batch you are teaching PLSQL?
Yes, which one? Tell me. What?
PLSQL.
PLSQL, all the things. SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL, all the things. Don't worry.
No, sir. Last class you told this is the last batch.
Actually, we are planning in a way. I am teaching a PLSQL, another fellow teaching SQL. We are planning in a future. Don't worry, because subject is there. Some fellows are lost in that one. Okay.
Sir, DB visualizer, all those comes under user interface, sir?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So like the disadvantage when we access through like a JDBC program is it will go to from application one, it will go to DBMS,
very good.
OS
Yes, actually Java, .NET, these programmers, yes, you are a PHP, Python, these programmers are means indirectly you are interacting. Stored procedure you are writing in a database. That procedure you are using in a where, in a callable statement in a Java, execute non-query in a where .NET. Through that one we are interacting. That is, here in this diagram, application program is there, no? That one. Indirect.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, so, our class side direct. User interface is there. In a future, I will show you.
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Don't worry. Okay, these are all the things you are only easily understandable because that is practical, no? Yes. Idea.
Sir, actually,
And notes is provided, sir, for
yes.
in the future classes.
Yes. Okay. Every class I am providing the notes. Okay.
How to
Okay, fine, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay, just I will continue. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Now side heading database. Now here only important database, physical and logical structure, which structure you are interacting, that is important everywhere. Not only Oracle, SQL Server software, every software. Write it database. Now we are learning database.
Sir, one question. From this course, we can manage 4+.
Yeah, not a problem. 4 or 5 or anything. Okay, because we are telling in a more depth only in a PLSQL and all this. You are understandable. Don't worry. Okay, recently one fellow has got a 9.5 in a 3+. They are putting on it. Okay, just subject is there. They are giving anything else.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, not a problem. Database. And now observe. And now check it out. What is database means? Simple. And now here, whenever we are installing a DBMS software, observe here, DBMS softwares we are installing, SQL Server, Oracle, these all softwares we are installing means automatically some place is created in a hard disk. Already I am telling you or not. That's why in a books we are referring means database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Here, organized fashion only data we are storing only. Once a structured collection of data is there, then we are interact with this data by using some languages. We are learning daily. And now here, two types of structures are there. One is physical structure and another one is logical structure in every database. But which structure you are working, what is physical, what is logical, I am telling only. That is very easy. That is very interesting only. And now maybe anybody telling in our class, great. Write it. Simple. Write it is a computerized system. It is a place, is a standard definition. Write it. It is a place, database. It is a place. It is a place where we can store structured collection of interrelated data. It is a place in a computer system side, place only, okay? It is a place where we can store structured collection of interrelated data. write it in every database in the worldwide. Suppose DBMS as a MySQL software we are loading, SQL Server software we are loading, always database is created. Okay, some physical place is created, but every database having how many types of structures? Two types of structures are there, most powerful. One is logical, another one is physical. But which structure you are working? I am asking now. Write it. Every database, next pair, write it. Every database. This is very interesting. Every database having two types of structures. Two types of structures. These are, first one, logical structure. Logical structure. Second one, physical structure. Physical structure. First one, logical structure. Second one, physical structure. Every database having two types of structures. These are, first one, logical structure. Second one, physical structure. And now anybody tell me in our class only, maybe guess it. You are maybe some computer knowledge is there. In the database side, what is logical structure? What is physical structure? Anybody guess it?
Relational database, creating tables, with constraints.
Yeah.
Structure.
Okay. Anybody, what is logical and physical? Again.
RAM is logical, hard disk is physical.
Okay. Suppose otherwise, okay, you are a Java, .NET, Oracle, in any programmer, you are a database related basic level programmer, you are working in a physical or logical, maybe. Okay, what is physical, logical, you are confusing also. I will tell you, don't worry. And now here you are working presently, okay, and in a Java, .NET, PHP, Python, these programmers are working, you are working in a company side, logical or physical? Maybe guess it. Logical or physical?
Physical.
Logical or physical? Very good. Here, logical structure. What is that logical structure? And now observe here, very simple, very easy. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here, very easy. Suppose this is a Oracle DBMS software I'm loading in my system. Then automatically some place is created in a hard disk. Now I am creating some table. Okay, for example, and now here some table I'm creating. Okay, so now here create, observe it here. This is a database only. Create table, create table I'm creating. Suppose here, now here I am creating India is a table. Okay, fine. Whenever I'm creating India is a table is created. Okay, something in a database, table is created. Observe here, yes. Create table, India I am creating only, table is created. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. And now I try to view my table in a C column, D column, for example. And now here I am viewing what at this table in a Oracle is there. Okay, fine. Apps. Okay, fine. Vora data. Here some place only I am viewing only. Now India is a table is visible in an operating system. In a C column, it is visible or not visible? Maybe guess it. Okay, observe it here. Yes, in this physical area, in this C column, that a table name is visible or not visible? India table is visible or not visible? Fast, tell me.
No, not visible.
Very good, not visible. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system, within operating system. C colon, D colon is there, no? Yes, we have a structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called logical structure. We are all working in a logical structure, basic level programmer, tables, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, okay, views, sequences, synonyms, clusters, indexes. These all the things are logical structure. A structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called logical structure. Yes, here in this database definition, logical structure side or physical structure side, this one I will tell you. Okay, yes, here. What is physical structure also? I will tell you. What is physical structure means next I will tell you. First write it, logical structure. Logical structure, side heading, logical structure.
But in that example, sir, SN number 1 was visible.
Don't worry, that is okay, column name only. Logical structure. Don't worry, there is column names and all. Logical structure. This is standard definition. Then physical you are understandable. Then which structure you are working means DBA, developer, I will tell you. Logical structure. Write it, standard definition. a structure which is not visible in operating system, in OS no operating system, is called logical structure. We are all working in a logical structure, actually, developers, basic developers, and the back end, front end to back end developers. Okay, database administrator working in a very physical structure. Okay, suppose example I am telling. Example of logical structure in Oracle side. Okay, in a Oracle SQL server, in a DBMS software side, in that database, what is that one? Table, comma, view, comma, synonym. These are all the things we are learning, okay, in our courses. Procedure, comma, function, comma, trigger, comma, package, like this. Roughly, right? Okay, maybe at least table you have an idea, no? Roughly. Okay. Now, physical structure. Physical structure. Now, what is physical structure means? Slowly observe it here. Actually, whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically some physical files are created in a hard disk. You are observing it or not? .dbf file, .ctl file, .log file. Some files are there. Okay, fine. Observe it here. This is called a physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. This structure you are working? No. Yes, which type of persons are working means database administrators are there. That's why DBA courses are there. Okay, you are learning about Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA, Teradata DBA. These persons are working in a way this physical structure. This is also big concept. What is the relation between logical and physical server architecture side you are learning. Now here actually this physical structure is working by the way database administrator. Another job is there. Another type of course is there. Write it. Physical structure. A structure which is visible. A structure which is visible in operating system. Some files are there physical. A structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. Is called physical structure. Physical structure is handled by physical structure is handled by database administrator. Database administrator. DBA. It's in the bracket. DBA. Write it. DBA. These files we are not telling why, because these files you don't have an idea up to now. Okay. And now observe it here. Actually, I am learning DBA course. For example, I am attending an interview. Murli, what is database? My interviewer asking me is, I am telling you what? Yes, it is a place. It is used to store collection of interrelated data. I am telling me immediately rejected. My interview is gone. I am a database administrator means my point of view I am telling only, yes, it is a collection of data files, control files, read log files I am telling. That is a physical structure. But you are a developer, you are learning what logical structure wise your database, you are telling it is a place where we can store a structured collection of data. That is a logical structure side they are telling only. That's why always anybody also, yes, what is database? They are telling a generalized outside person means always it is a structured collection of interrelated data. Why they are telling means This is a logical structure side. Logical means rows or columns are there. A structured collection of data is there. The logical structure side only they are telling only. But actually, it is a collection of data files, control files, read log files, collection of files. That is a physical structure that is original. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, we are learning in a way logical structure side is a place where we can store structured collection of interrelated data. Yes, we are telling only logical side we are telling. Okay, understood? Yes, that's why this is a basic, small basic concept only remaining. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, tomorrow will continue.
So database is a logical part, right, sir?
No. We are learning logical structure. We are working in a logical structure, tables, views, procedures like that. Physical structure also there. That is DBA, database administration courses are there. Okay, yeah.
No, sir, just one doubt.
Backup, recovery.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
In this batch, you have to teach all those things. Oracle, total Oracle.
Total Oracle, yeah. SQL, PL, dynamic SQL languages. Don't worry. Whatever previous batches we are telling, all the concepts we are telling. Okay, yeah.
Sir, is this recording is daily updated?
Maybe you have to ask me recorded available. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir. Actually,
Tomorrow continue. Don't worry.